Very well, guys. Here we are in the third part of IELTS speaking, and the topic is about education and career. First, I read all the questions. After that, I answer the questions, and then I analyze my own answers. So now let's get started with the questions only. The first question says, how important is education for career success? The next one says, what factors should students consider when choosing a career path? How has technology impacted the job market? What factors do you think are important for success in one's career? Now let's get started with the first question. The question was asking, how important is education for career success? My answer to this one is, education plays a vital role in career success. I mean, it equips individuals with the necessary knowledge, skills, and qualifications required to become the best in their chosen fields. I believe that a solid educational foundation not only provides the technical expertise, but also fosters critical thinking and problem solving, which are essential qualities in today's competitive job market. In my own experience, once I got my master's degree, I was offered so many better job positions in my field that showed me the importance of education in getting better job offers. As you can see, I try to develop the topic because we are in the third part of IELTS speaking, and you always need to give longer answers compared to part 1. For that, I used a range of vocabulary, like for example, it plays a vital role. It means it is very important. The educational foundation. It fosters critical thinking, problem solving, the competitive job market, job positions, and job offers. I also use some fillers and boosters, for example, in my own experience. So when you want to talk about your past experiences or your past memories, there are always fillers and boosters that can help you fill up the gaps, because you may have hesitations or self-repetitions or even self-corrections. So to have a better fluency, one of the solutions is to use some fillers and boosters appropriately. Other than that, you can use some connectives and discourse markers. Like in my own answer, I used not only, but also, in order to add more information. Now let's move on to the second question. What factors should students consider when choosing a career path? And here's my answer. When choosing a career path, students should consider several factors. Firstly, they should assess their interests, passions, and strengths to align their career choice with their potential abilities. Secondly, they should research the job market and future employment prospects in their desired field. Additionally, considering personal values, work-life balance, and long-term growth opportunities can help students make informed decisions about their career paths. So here again, I use some vocabulary in the given topic, which was about the student's career path. And for example, the first one is to align something with something else. Like here we are talking about the career choice with your potential abilities. And aligning with something means to place something in a straight line, to link them. The next one was the job market, when you research the job market. The future employment prospects or your desired field. Personal values, work-life balance, long-term growth opportunities, and finally, to make informed decisions, which means to make a decision which is based on facts and information. I also used some time order words because these can help you make some complex grammatical structures, like firstly, secondly, and additionally, which is a very good connective here. You can use it in order to, give a range to your connectives. Okay, now the third question. How has technology impacted the job market? My answer to this one is, technology has significantly impacted the job market in various ways. It has led to the emergence of new industries and job roles such as digital marketing, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. On the other hand, technology has also helped us with certain tasks, resulting in job displacement in traditional sectors. Therefore, individuals need to adapt and acquire relevant skills to stay competitive in the evolving job market. In my answer, I use some vocabulary like significantly impacted, various ways, the emergence of new industries or job roles, digital marketing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, job displacement, evolving job market, and some good connectives and conjunctions that you should always use, like on the other hand, to add more information, or therefore to talk about the result of something. And finally, the last question. What factors do you think are important for success in one's career? My answer to this one is, in my opinion, several factors contribute to success in one's career. Firstly, having a clear vision and setting specific goals is crucial. This helps individuals stay focused and motivated. Secondly, acquiring relevant knowledge and skills through education and continuous learning plays a significant role. Additionally, perseverance and a strong work ethic are essential for overcoming challenges and achieving long-term success. Here again, I use some time order words like firstly, secondly, and lastly, and the word additionally to add more information. Other than these, I use some good vocabulary like contribute to something, which means to cause something, to have a clear vision, to set specific goals, to acquire relevant knowledge and skills, stay focused and motivated, work ethic, overcoming challenges, and achieving long-term success. So as you saw, I tried to use a range of vocabulary, some complex grammatical structures, and some good connectives. But more importantly, in the third part, you should always make sure to develop the topic. That's how you can get a good score. If you want to learn the strategies and techniques in detail, don't miss out on our speaking course. You can find it on our website. Fantastic. Just as we did today, you can search for speaking questions, share your own answers, record your responses, and then listen to them. If you're interested in receiving an evaluation from our expert examiners, go ahead and book an online speaking mock test with us. Believe me, this will make a big difference.
Do you want to know what band score you'll get in the IELTS speaking test? Perhaps you want to improve your performance and prepare yourself for the real test. Then why not book an online mock test with us that will last for 25 minutes. 12 minutes of the test itself and 13 minutes of comprehensive feedback, plus we'll give you useful tips on how to make your performance better. So, we know how to help you. Join us.
Okay, that was a lot of talking. Do you have any questions?
No, thank you very much. I really appreciate that you give me this feedback because I know this will help me. This is exactly what I need.
Although my job is hard, I enjoy doing it.
Because you have already practiced the last time I'm going to on the exam day, you should make sure, okay, this is the last time I'm going to talk about
IELTS Academy for our generation.
Find out movie and talk about what's in the movie and film. So, we were talking about synonym for film.